tell us something about white box and black box testing.
So black box is kind of you cannot see the internals, nothing is visible to you, and white box means actually you can go inside and you can see how the circuitry is. Okay, so we can take an example of an IC, integrated chip, right? So in the integrated circuit, in that case what you can black box testing would be kind of you just have some set of inputs and you can expect some sort of outputs, and you do not basically want to know what exactly is happening inside, how many loops have been written, how many decisions have been taken, how the algorithm looks like, and so on and so forth. In the white box testing, static code analysis comes under white box testing. You need to make sure that the code has been written pertaining to certain standards. Then the developers need to comply to certain coding standards. Then how many lines of code should be there, what should be the size of the class if you are basically dealing with an object orientation. So you are focusing more inside the implementation rather than just focusing towards the end implementation. So not just verifying the functionality, but at the same time also making sure that the quality of code written is basically very high.
So my next question is, does automated testing requires human controls?
Although automation testing ideally should not require human control, but there are many occasions when automation testing may require human interventions. Example would be if let's say automation testing requires gathering of certain metrics, but analysis needs to be done manually because actually you do not have the capacity to do data analysis. In that case probably human intervention is required. Many times what happens is automated test cases fail because of certain environmental issues, network failures and so forth, and your automated tests are not intelligent enough to sense those things and restart the test from the point of failure. So in that cases human interventions are required. But an ideal automation suite would be intelligent enough to identify such points of failure and should basically resume testing from those points of failure.